Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming requirements. TPM2, 0, secure boot, 64-bit CPU, and enough RAM. Once done, record your current Windows activation and Microsoft account so you can transfer or link later. Make a backup image or file history backup to avoid data loss. Next, decide budget and legitimacy threshold. Cheaper keys often come from OEM or volume license channels, so prepare to verify seller reputation and return policy before you purchase. You search targeted sources, certified OEM resellers, refurbished PC keys, student discounts, and reputable marketplaces. As you compare offers, focus on seller ratings, guarantees, and how the key is delivered, email code versus account link, because that affects installation. Make sure you understand whether a key is OEM, retail, or volume licensed, since OEM keys generally tie to hardware while retail keys transfer. Once you select the best value, prepare payment and screenshot receipts for proof of purchase. You complete the purchase and immediately save the invoice and any delivery messages. Once ready, activate in Settings Update and Security Activation by entering the key or signing into the linked Microsoft account. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter and retry. If errors persist, contact the seller with proof of purchase and escalate to Microsoft support. One key tip: keep screenshots and timestamps to speed up disputes and recover funds if the key is invalid.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.